You know your family life is your best business blueprint. Problems that you already solve on a daily basis. And now you're ready to stop trading time for money. But where do you actually start? How do you turn I'm really good at meal prepping into something that's profitable, into $1 million idea? Most people in general try to invent a whole new product. They stress, they search the web, and they waste months of chasing trends. And here's the truth. Your gold mine is right in front of you. Your most profitable business idea is solving the painful problem that you've already mastered in your own family. And I call this the solve problem audit. Now listen, it's going to take you less than 30 minutes to complete it. So grab a pen and follow the next 3 steps. Step number 1 is the pain list. You're going to list 5 problems that you've permanently fixed. 5 problems that you've already have provided solutions for. And I'm not talking about little things like going to the grocery store and buying a can of tomato sauce so you can make spaghetti. I'm talking about real problems that people are facing and you understand how to fix them. The ones that cause a huge stress in your life or in somebody else's life, and you can extend and exchange that value. For example, maybe you went from $0 in your savings account to now you have $50,000 in your saving account. Or maybe you found some secrets on how to teach your son how to swing a bat so he stops striking out. Or maybe you figured out how to get your kids to pack their own lunches so you don't have to wake up extra early to pack those lunches. And then you're going to roll over into step number 2 and do a frustration check, which means you're going to go out, go on your Facebook, go on your Instagram, go somewhere and ask 5 other parents, which of those problems are they still fighting? And if they sigh, they groan, they moan, oh my gosh, I deal with that all the time. I can't stand when they fill in the blank. You have found a valid idea. You have found a point where you can potentially launch this thing. And then you're going to jump into a 20-minute test. We've got to figure out which of your solutions you could teach clearly and simply in under 20 minutes. And that's your micro niche. But if you can't teach it simply, it may be too complicated at first. You've got to chunk that thing down in order to teach it. Write down all your steps like an algorithm. And that way, suddenly, your expertise becomes clear. And you're not just a parent. Maybe you're a kid's chore list architect, or you're a family budget elimination expert. See, the possibilities are endless because parenting is tough. We face problems that we need solutions for, which means you can launch a template, a mini course, a series, or some type of tracker, and now you have a concrete idea to extend to a community of people that you are called to serve. So stop guessing. You've completed step 1 of the Parent Profit Blueprint, and now you have a profitable idea, and now the fun part is just beginning. So hit subscribe right now because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take that niche idea and build your 24/7 automated digital product, all with low tech, no coding, no issues, and 0 stress. Let's do this. Hit subscribe, turn on the notifications, and that way, when the next video comes out, you'll be ready.